So it's a Saturday and we are doing a very impromptu video today, and me and Omkar, who is the head of operations, we are both going for a client meeting today, and we were having this very random discussion on productivity. Over the years, Omkar has been associated with the teams in the last 2 years, primarily into operations, and we were just discussing like how we have enhanced our productivity in these years, or what are the challenges we have faced, because usually for an agency productivity becomes a challenge because of a lot of reasons. You deal with a lot of people, a lot of deliverables require approvals, there is some creative bandwidth that is required, and so on. But yeah, so long story short, we were discussing about productivity, and we just tried to decode what all are the things that we did in the last 1 year, that is in 2025, which has probably given us some lead with regards to enhancing our productivity. The first thing that we have done is, or the first thing that has made a very huge impact for us is a 30-minute rule, where 30 minutes we just focus on one task. It's that simple. This comes with the fact that, again, working in an agency, you have to keep multitasking, you are juggling between brands, you are juggling between work. So we decided that we will be investing 30 minutes on one task, or less probably, depending on how the nature of work is, and we will make sure that we'll only focus on that task. So for instance, if you are a designer, or if you're an operations manager, or if you're a social media strategist, I feel 30 minutes is almost good enough, depending on the task, for you to work on at least one task. And if you can imagine that if you're working in an 8 hours or 9 hours shift, that means about 12 to 13 tasks in total, which includes your breaks and everything and all that. So that is number one. Number two was it was a breakthrough kind of a thing that happened with us, that we started putting our phones on airplane mode. When we did that, actually, we started questioning ourselves as well that yaar, kaun se office mein phone itna bada distraction rehta hai? That is the whole point. Like, even if you go for a regular job or an admin job or receptionist job, you're not supposed to take personal calls, or you're not supposed to interact a lot, with your brands, with your clients. Your job doesn't involve that unless or until you're in sales. So what we observed was that because our phones were not in airplane, we used to keep getting a lot of calls, some personal, some professional, and that kind of strayed us away from productivity. Most importantly, from focus, because when you're working on something and all of a sudden you get diverted, I don't know, that is something you feel that you want to restart again. So that is another thing that we improvised, and clearly it gave us good results. Third is a very short and a very simple and sweet thing, that if there is any task that can be done in 5 minutes, do it then and there itself. We've seen that we call these tasks as micro tasks, which actually end up piling up on our to-do list. Because what happens is that we have a meeting, we discuss things, or if suppose a client calls us and tells that he wants to get this thing done in like quickly, and if we know that if it is just a call, or if it is just sending out an email, if it is just sending out something out, and if it's within 5 minutes, why not clear it then and there itself? So I think this was the third thing. And lastly, and the most talked thing that a lot of people were asking me in the last week is that we actually nailed a night shift, and the very reason was to understand how productivity works in a night shift. We were actually lagging a little bit behind in terms of our work in the month of Jan. So that is how Omkar actually decided that we should do an all-nighter, where we have our creative team especially on board, because that is a time when you don't get a lot of distractions, productivity is at maximum. I know it can screw up a night's sleep, but I would be very honest with you, that has worked out crazy for us. Like, I guess we moved out about 8 to 10 videos, Omkar?
Yes.
Yeah? 8 to 10. So we moved out about 8 to 10 30-second shorts or reels, whatever you call it. We moved them out. I believe in designs as well. Like, we were able to clear out about 2 to 3 carousels and a few designs. Most importantly, it gave us the much needed momentum to take a leap in completing our work. Because sometimes what happens is there are some works which are very predefined, which you have to achieve by default. So for example, your festive creatives if you know that there is already a 3-month strategy for a client, and if you know that you have to execute a particular content, so why delay it? So yeah, I think we've spoken a lot about it. So yeah, so I think long story short, this is what we were actually discussing, and we thought that if we have been through this mill, we are sure that, you know, a lot of people out there might be also facing with it, and hopefully this video could help them out. So yeah.